Hi guys, welcome to my channel Capturing Guys. Today we are going to Bheemeshwari. This place is famous for Mahasir fish, which is one of the finest, maybe best gaming fish. This is across to the Kaveri river, and it's a jungle resort where we are going now. It's called as a Bheemeshwari Adventure Camp, Jungle and Adventure Camp, and it's a day out camp. And we just started. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. Starts at 10 o'clock to till 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock is the day out. So hopefully we'll have the good time there. Okay, and so you guys said bye bye. We stopped here at the MTR restaurant, which is one of the famous restaurants in Bangalore. So we are having idli and vada, which is famous. Say hi guys. As we just checked in, they gave a mud hut for us for staying, just to freshen up and all. Looks good. Room looks good, but I cannot. I mean, there's no power there, so it's completely dark now. So once the power comes, I'll show you the room how big it is. For two of us, for couple, obviously it's decent. I think it is charging around 5,500 or 6,000 around for one day, which is good. So there we have activities, you know, all the rope climbing and other stuff and all there activities. So place looks really good, and must visiting place. This is like, for staying for one day out of city life, this place is really cool. Okay, let me go there and see the rides. Okay, hopefully I'll get the rides soon. guys, we're getting into this coracle, right? Guys, so many people came here for boating, coracle ride, so much excited. Now we are going to do this kayaking. So you see there, so many people came here. It's really nice place here.
Sir, ಎರಡು ಕ್ಯೂಬ್
We are done with the boating and we came here. We are having the snacks. We're serving the bhaji, hot bhaji, along with the tea. We'll have tea and then we'll refresh and leave for the day. Guys, we are done with the fun activities, boat riding, kayaking, all these things. We're heading back to Bangalore now. The day was really awesome. We like this place. We are also planning for to come again here. So I said in the morning that there was only one thing which is like a power issue which we noticed. Now also they have some transformer issue here, so there's no power. So thought of showing the room. This is a mud hut. So but towards the bank of the Kaveri you have the I think log hut and then bamboo hut, which is really good view of the Kaveri river. I'll try to show the room, but it is completely dark there. So let me go there. You see there, it's completely dark. Nothing is visible. And I guess I just freshen up, and leave for the day. All right. See you guys soon. Okay. Come back with a different video. Have a good time. Bye bye.